What's up YouTube, it's your boy Car Adventure Reg and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm finally getting a slap done in my Lexus Ls400. I'm really excited. The car is like right there. And we finally getting a slap, getting Comp Q 12s, 2 bullet speakers, Pioneers, tweeters inside the door. I already got Pioneers inside the car, 2 Hyphonics amps, and a battery in the trunk. So it's gonna be real dope, man. Can't wait to hear it. As soon as I get done, I'll update you guys and show you everything. Oh, and I'm also getting a Pioneer deck, so it's gonna be lit. Can't wait. All right, well, I'm not gonna lie, 2 days has passed since I recorded the last clip, man. I ended up putting in a slap. I got everything. Here's the deck. Did inside speakers, subwoofers, everything. But the problem is that the Lexus LS have 5 1/4 speakers, which is not loud enough, you know, to me. So right now I'm on my way to this radio shop in Oakland. They said they could fit 6 1/2s in the front, but they can't do it in the rears. I think it would sound a whole lot better just because I would have 6 1/2s. It's gonna give me a little bit more range than what I have now, and I feel like it would sound a whole lot better. Even if I can't get them in the rears, I believe they'll sound good because I have them in the front, and I'm in the front, you know, all the time. So I think it would sound pretty good. So right now I'm on my way to the shop. It's called Kano's in Oakland, and I believe B is supposed to be meeting up with me, so y'all probably see them on camera or whatever. But yeah, man, this car has been a headache. It's really because of the 5 1/4s. That's really it. Like, that's the only complaint that I have when it comes to this car, and like, you know, trying to get slapped. And all the sound deadening too with the Lexus. Like, even though the subwoofer slap, boy, if you put these in a whole nother car, man, these things gonna slap, slap, slap. But that's the only problem that I'm having with the LS as far as the sound system goes. But it's really just the inside speakers, and that's it. That's my only complaint when it comes to this car. But I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on currently right now and what I've been trying to figure out for the last couple of days and stuff like that. And they also broke my vents. Man, I was mad about that. I'm not gonna lie. The last radio shop broke my vents. I'm like, come on, dude. Like, why are you breaking my OEM stuff? But luckily they ordered another one, and it was the same one on eBay. So I should be getting that in the next couple of days, getting new vents and all that. So, I mean, all this stuff just comes with the territory though. But it's like, still, like, you know, if you are a radio installer, like, bro, like, be patient and calm down when you know, taking people cars apart and stuff like that. Because especially with the older cars, it's like we can't just go to the dealer and be like, oh, can I get this? All these items been discontinued. You know, this car is 20+ years old. So it's like, come on, man, like, just be extra careful and just take your time, you know what I'm saying? And just be patient and treat other people's cars like you want your car to be treated, you know what I'm saying? That's the only thing. Like, if you're a radio installer, please. But I need to get off this freeway because these people is wild. You already know this Acura, but I gotta point out one thing. My boy got the grill speakers now, boy. He got the grill speakers. I'm gonna go ahead and let him talk his ish right now. My boy B the Grove, man.
What's happening? Yeah, man, Reg came to the east side, man, so we outside right now. Excuse my voice, a little raspy. But yeah, shit. Reg got the LS400 outside. Then pulled up slapping when I seen him at the light. I'm like, okay, you feel me? And then, like you said, I got the little grill speakers in my shit now. Trying to, you know, do some little shit, pop outside, talk my shit, you know, it ain't nothing crazy. But yeah, man, Big Legs coming in a major way. You feel me? We gonna call this the new Big Lex right here, man. My shit was Big Lex, but I don't ride the Lex no more. I still got it, but it's in the cut. Red's gotta take the name Big Lex. That's a big body on the ass, boy. Whew. That shit go crazy, I swear to God. I like it. But shout out Car Adventures with Reg, man.
Appreciate you.
Outside having a good time. That's all it is, man. We got these cars, bro. Playing with these toys, man.
That's it. That's it. But yeah, y'all, got the Lex out right now. Just finished the install. Boom. Look at that. These is the 5 1/4 speakers. I was talking about right here, these little small little speakers right here, I actually replaced them with 6.5s and they sound so much better. But I'm about to just be chilling right now, y'all, and I'll show y'all the full setup probably a little bit later. But yeah, man, I just wanted to go ahead and put my guy on camera real quick. Back in the Lexus now, so let's finally reveal what I got. The first thing I had got was this Pioneer deck, as you can see. And then I had upgraded the speakers all around. So these are Pioneer tweeters in here. Kicker KS 6.5s right here. I just got those done today. These what it looks like, but you know, bigger. I also have these in the back. And I also have 2 Pioneer bullet speakers in the back where the subs usually go. So all new speakers all around in this car. So let's go ahead and pop the trunk. And this is the same deck I have in my Infiniti G35, by the way. So I had to make sure I get that for the EQ. I have the Kicker Comp Q12s, man. The round things. Didn't get the square ones this time, but I got the round ones. And this is a battery, so it's running off its own little power. I have a Hyphonics 2500 watt amp going for the subs. I also have another Hyphonics amp going for the mids and highs. So, and these are actually the OEM speakers right here. You see how small these speakers is, man? I really wish these cars had 6.5s in it, bro. Like 6.5s is everything. All my cars always had 6.5s. But yeah, back here, like I said, in the door, they Kicker KS, and then really go back there. I don't know if you could see it through here. I hope you could, but this is where the Pioneer bullet speakers are, right here. And they're loud, really loud. So let's go ahead and jump in and go ahead and play something real quick. Play some non-copyrighted music. So this is how the inside sounds. I'm gonna go ahead and close the door for you guys. Go to the subs. Let's do a little trunk flex. Now this one, let's do a little trunk flex. This one I could play copyrighted because I'm not in the car. So let me put on my favorite one. All right, y'all, so now that y'all seen the slap, let me know how you guys like it down below. Of course, I'm gonna do a review on it. I also want to do put the G35 in this car side by side, so y'all can hear the difference when it comes from, you know, 10s and 12s and the L7 and a round sub, because it's the same sub pretty much as a Comp Q. I feel like that'd be a good video, so let me know if you guys want that down below, a little comparison from the 10s to the 12s. Let me know how you guys like it down below. Let me know how you guys like the inside. Now I could say for the inside speakers, they're okay. I want to get some better stuff, knowing that I could put 6.5s in there. And yeah, oh, I also want to point out that within those 2 days I didn't record it, but today actually I just got some new tires for the back. Bought some brand new tires for the back, the same brand that I had got in the front. but I have bought them for the back. So now I got 4 brand new tires all around, and the ride has definitely improved. And then I also took it to go get some brakes. I got the rear brakes for it now. The only reason why it says brake wear is because I need to get the sensor. I'll be replacing the sensor probably sometime this week. And then I also got an oil change. So got some fresh oil, brakes, all different type of stuff. The maintenance is pretty much, I'm gonna say the maintenance about 90% done. The only thing I need to do now is the valve covers and the spark plugs. That's the only thing. I done did everything else. Oh, and probably get the transmission pan resealed or whatever, but that's about it, bro. Like, I done did everything within a span of 2 weeks, so I'm real proud of myself. I got slapped, all the maintenance pretty much done, brand new tires, brakes, everything. Now I'm about to finally get it washed, so we're gonna see how that turns out, man. Definitely need to get these headlights clean, man, because I'm real anxious to see how the way that's gonna turn out, and especially these too, the fog lights. I want to see how that's gonna turn out too. But comment below and let me know if I got some good equipment or is it bad. Let me know in the comments. I know I'm gonna have some trolls come on the comments, but it is what it is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't, go ahead and like the video, comment, all of that. Let me know that I do a good job with the Lex. Let me know in the comments below. But I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.